You press the gas pedal, and nothing really happens. Well, not nothing, but your car feels heavy like it's pulling a trailer fuel of bricks. The RPMs climb higher, but your speed barely moves. You push the pedal harder, waiting for that kick of power, but it just never comes. Sound familiar? That sluggish, gutless feeling isn't just annoying. It's your car trying to tell you something's wrong. Something under the hood isn't doing its job, and if you ignore it, you could be heading for bigger problems soon. In this video, we're breaking down the real reasons your car not accelerating properly, and more importantly, how to fix it. We'll cover everything: fuel, air, transmission, sensors, and more. No fluff, no guessing. Just clear, practical advice that saves you time, money, and frustration. Welcome to MotorMinds, where real drivers talk real cars. No hype, no nonsense, just practical automotive insight. If you've got fuel in your veins and grease on your hands, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, if you're new here and you love keeping your car running right, hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us grow the channel and keep bringing you real, practical car advice every week. All right, let's get into it. Reason 1. Fuel delivery. If your car's losing power or hesitating when you accelerate, the fuel system is the first place to look. Think of your engine like a runner. If it's not getting enough fuel, it's going to stumble, slow down, and eventually give up. Here's what could be choking it. Number 1. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter is one of the simplest, most overlooked causes of poor acceleration. Over time, dirt and debris from the tank build up, and the filter can't flow enough fuel at high demand. You might still idle fine, but when you floor it, the engine runs lean and starves for fuel. How to fix it? If your car hasn't had its fuel filter replaced in the last 30,000, 50,000 miles, start there. It's usually an inexpensive part, but make sure you relieve the fuel system pressure before replacing it, unless you enjoy a face full of gasoline. Number 2. Weak fuel pump. If the filter is clean, but the car still struggles under load, your fuel pump might be weak. You'll notice sluggish acceleration, rough idling, maybe even stalling on hills or while towing. Older vehicles especially. Once the pump starts to go, it doesn't fail overnight. It just gets weaker. How to fix it? Check your fuel pressure with a gauge. Most auto parts stores rent them for free. Compare the readings to your car's spec. If it's low, the pump's likely on its way out. Replace it before you get stranded. Number 3. Dirty fuel injectors. Modern cars rely on precision injectors, and once they start gumming up, performance drops fast. You'll feel hesitation, uneven acceleration, or even misfires. How to fix it? Try a quality fuel system cleaner first. Something like Chevron Techron or Seafoam. If that doesn't help, professional injector cleaning or replacement might be needed. Reason 2. Airflow. Engines need the right air-to-fuel mix to make power. When airflow is restricted or misread, you'll feel it immediately. Number 1. Dirty air filter. This one is almost too obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip it. A clogged air filter literally suffocates your engine. How to fix it? Pull it out and check it. If it's dark, dusty, or full of bugs, replace it. Air filters are cheap insurance against poor performance. Number 2. Bad mass airflow sensor, MAF. If the air filter is clean but your car still bogs down, your MAF sensor might be dirty or faulty. This little sensor tells your ECU how much air is coming in. If it sends bad data, the computer miscalculates fuel delivery, causing hesitation or poor throttle response. How to fix it? Use MAF cleaner, not brake cleaner, not carb cleaner, MAF cleaner, and gently spray the sensor element. If cleaning doesn't help, replace the sensor. Number 3. Vacuum leaks. Cracked or disconnected vacuum lines mess with the air-fuel ratio, especially at low speeds. You'll often hear a faint hissing sound from the engine bay. How to fix it? Spray carb cleaner around suspect hoses and intake areas while the engine idles. If the RPMs jump, you found your leak. Replace the damaged line or gasket. Reason number 3. Ignition and spark. Even if your car has the perfect mix of air and fuel, it still won't accelerate properly if the spark isn't strong enough. That spark is what ignites the fuel inside the cylinders. And if it's weak or inconsistent, your engine just can't make full power. Number 1. Worn spark plugs. Old or fouled spark plugs are one of the most common reasons for weak combustion. That means less power every single time you hit the gas. How to fix it? Pull out a few plugs and check the tips. If they're black, oily, or heavily worn, replace them. Always use the correct plug type, set the right gap, and torque them to spec. It's a small job that makes a big difference. Number 2. Bad ignition coils. If one or more ignition coils are failing, your car might feel jerky, rough, or gutless during acceleration. You might even see a check engine light and a misfire code like P0301 or P0302. How to fix it? Swap the suspected coil with another cylinder. If the misfire follows the coil, that's your culprit. Replace it. Reason 4. Transmission. Sometimes the engine's fine, but the transmission is the weak link. If your RPMs climb but your speed doesn't, you're probably dealing with slippage. Number 1. Low or old transmission fluid. Automatic transmissions rely on fluid pressure. Low or burned fluid means the clutches can't grip properly, causing delayed or lazy acceleration. How to fix it? Check the fluid level and color. If it's dark or smells burnt, it's overdue for a change. Always use the correct fluid type. Guessing here can be expensive. Number 2. Failing torque converter. If your car shudders or slips around 30-50 mph, the torque converter could be failing. It's not common, but when it happens, you'll feel it. How to fix it? You'll likely need professional diagnosis here. Sometimes a fluid flush helps, but in most cases, it's a rebuild or replacement job. Number 3. Clutch problems, manual transmission. If you drive a manual and your engine revs high without speed increasing, your clutch is slipping. How to fix it? You can test it by putting the car in third gear, revving to about 2,000 RPM and letting the clutch out quickly. If it slips instead of stalling, it's time for a new clutch. Reason number 5. Exhaust and restriction. If air can't leave the engine, it can't make power either. Your exhaust system plays a huge role in how smoothly your engine breathes. When it gets restricted, performance drops fast. Number 1. Clogged catalytic converter. A clogged catalytic converter, or clogged cat, is one of the most common causes of poor acceleration. When it gets blocked, it creates massive back pressure that literally chokes the engine. You'll usually feel it most at higher RPMs. The car feels fine off the line, but then it just won't pull past 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. How to fix it? If you suspect a bad cat, check underneath after a drive for glowing red sections, or perform a back pressure test. Replacing a catalytic converter isn't cheap, but there's no real shortcut. And never hollow it out. It's illegal and actually hurts performance long term. Number 2. Damaged exhaust system. A crushed pipe, rust hole, or a failing muffler can also block exhaust flow and reduce power. How to fix it? Do a visual inspection from front to back. If you see anything crushed, leaking, or rusted through, get it repaired right away. Restoring proper flow can bring your car's power right back. Reason number 6. Electronic and sensor issues. Modern engines rely heavily on sensors and modules to calculate everything from fuel delivery to timing. When those start sending bad data, acceleration takes a hit. Number 1. Throttle position sensor, TPS. If your car hesitates or surges while accelerating, your TPS might be worn or glitchy. It tells the ECU how far you're pressing the gas pedal. How to fix it? Use a multimeter or scan tool to check readings as you press the pedal. Any dead spots mean it's time for replacement. Number 2. Oxygen sensors, O2 sensors. Bad O2 sensors cause poor fuel economy, sluggish performance, and sometimes a rotten egg smell. How to fix it? Scan for codes, like PE013 to PE0167. Replace the faulty sensor. Usually, the upstream ones, before the cat, have the most impact on acceleration. Number 2. Limp mode. If your car suddenly feels limited, won't go past a certain RPM or speed, it might be in limp mode. That's the ECU protecting itself after detecting a major fault. How to fix it? Check for codes using an OBD2 scanner. Common triggers are MAF, throttle body, transmission, or boost-related on turbos. Clear the codes, and if it comes back, address the root issue. Reason number 7. Mechanical engine problems. If everything else checks out, you might be looking at deeper mechanical issues. Number 1. Timing belt or chain problems. If your car feels off, idles rough, or lacks power across the board, your timing might be off by a tooth or two. That means the valves aren't opening at the right time. How to fix it? Check the timing marks or have a mechanic verify it. A stretched chain or worn belt needs to be replaced before it fails completely. That's an engine killer. Number 2. Low compression. Engines need proper compression to make power. Worn piston rings, valves, or head gaskets will reduce it. How to fix it? Perform a compression test. If one or more cylinders are low, you're likely looking at a rebuild or major repair. Number 3. Stuck EGR valve. A stuck open EGR valve can cause hesitation and weak acceleration by letting exhaust gases back in when they shouldn't. How to fix it? Remove and clean the valve with carb cleaner. If it's stuck or corroded, replace it. Common driver-related issues. Before blaming your car completely, check your driving conditions. Using low-quality fuel from questionable gas stations? It matters. Try a tank of top-tier fuel. Carrying excess weight or towing constantly? That'll strain any engine. Ignoring maintenance intervals? Oil, filters, and plugs all add up. And remember, your car gives you clues long before something fails. Listen for hesitation, feel for rough shifts, watch your fuel economy. The sooner you diagnose, the cheaper the fix. How to diagnose step by step. Here's a simple path if your car's accelerating poorly. Number 1. Scan for codes. Always start here. Even if the check engine light isn't on, pending codes can tell you a lot. Number 2. Check the basics. Air filter, fuel filter, spark plugs. Cheap and easy. Number 3. Test fuel pressure. Weak pumps or regulators are common. Number 4. Inspect sensors, MAF, TPS, O2. Clean or test them. Number 5. Transmission check. Fluid level, color, shifting behavior. Number 6. Back pressure test. Rule out the catalytic converter. Number 7. Compression test. Only if you've ruled everything else out. That's your logical order, from easiest and cheapest to hardest and most expensive. So there you have it. The real reasons your car isn't accelerating like it used to, and what you can do about it. No magic additives, no internet myths, just solid, proven fixes that work in the real world. If you learned something today, give this video a like. It helps more drivers find MotorMinds. Drop a comment below if you've had a weird acceleration issue. Tell us what fixed it for you. And of course, subscribe for more straight-talking car advice that keeps your ride running strong. Thanks for watching. And remember, listen to your car, not just the internet. See you in the next one.